Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laserjet Pro M403d printer driver in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, find system type. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like and here type HP Laserjet Pro M403d printer driver download and hit enter key. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link and here we find our website name. If any case your operating system is not right or bit is not right, then go to there, choose a different OS, click on the Windows in version. If 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. If 64-bit, then go to the 64-bit and click on the update. After that, this box is refresh and go to the here driver product installation software and here we find our drivers. Click on this download button, click on download and it's redirect to the another page and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Our download is completed. Go to the show in folder, go to the downloads and go to the show in folder, minimize it, drag this setup file to desktop, close it. And here is our setup file, and this setup file is actually zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. It's extract our files and create a new folder on a desktop. It's create a new folder, double click on this newly created folder. Here we find our drivers, close it and we are going to install these drivers. There are two ways to install it. First, double click on this file and install it, but best way is to install it manually and we are going to install it manually. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds we find new option. Here is the new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, close it. And here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that, click on the next. Here we find existing port. It is a most IMP part in this installation. Click at here. And if you find .4_001 HP printer device, then select that HP printer device, HP. If any port name HP, then select that. If you not find any kind of the HP port, then next option is USB. Select USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Here we find have a disk. Click on a have a disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Go to our newly extracted folder, double click on it and here we find our drivers. From here to here all files are the same drivers. Select any file, click on the open, click on the OK. Here we find our printer driver. This is a series printer and it's contain many printers. Select that, click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give the 403d. Name is HP Laserjet M403d. And click on the next. It's installed our printer. It's take less than 1 minute. Wait for a few seconds. After that, here we find our printer is shared with the network or not. I don't want to share with network. Then I click on do not share this network. First option, click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Laserjet Pro M403d, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.